Gonna do our very first launch. As you can see, it's kind of the evening. I was waiting for do all of your take it out for the first flight. Make sure you get all the stuff taken care of. Download the app. Make sure that you're up to date with everything.
My Orsha is getting prepped.
Camera check, GPS check, Yosh check. As silly as this sounds, you want to make sure that you're checking everything, the major functions of your drone, up and down, left to right, and making sure that you lock in the GPS. It's important. You don't want to lose your drone in the sky. It's important to have a shot list, so this way you can go out and get the shots that you need and the angles without having to worry about time wasted and battery. Now that we have everything on our list, it's time to film. It's important to make sure that we get slow and steady shots. It helps with the dramatic effect. As the sun goes down and as our first flight ends, we thank you for joining us. We hope you got some useful tips and some information that's going to help you to decide on your next drone. Thanks for joining us on our series on Ballin' on a Budget. First flight with our DJI Spark drone. This is your host, Yosh Wagner. Hopefully you can come back and join us for more.